quick update on Bitcoin. So we're looking at a very, very interesting time at the moment. So Bitcoin was supposed to be traveling in those channels. It broke above that channel and it's sort of going through that correction phase. It may go dip as low as at $36,000, $37,000, but after that, it might be the bottom that we are seeing. And that definitely is one of the conjectures out there. And I've covered it, I think, in maybe today's video. So go and check that out. It obviously not a bad time to get in right now. And also once Bitcoin recovers, it's going to take the whole market with it as well. So do consider diversifying into your alts so that you stretch that risk curve out for better gains as well. Looking at MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, we know that he's done a $500 million bond raising, so debt financing in junk bonds to actually use that fund to buy more Bitcoin. He's very, very bullish on Bitcoin and he's just raising another $1 billion worth of shares to actually buy further Bitcoin. So according to his announcement, but he's now opening up the idea of buying some Ethereum. So different cryptocurrencies have different purposes. I think that as the market starts to understand these things, there's a place for everybody. He says, just in case you didn't know, holds the most amount of Bitcoin by a publicly listed company in the world. You would think Tesla held the most amount of Bitcoin, but no, that's not true. MicroStrategy holds more than Tesla. So CEO Michael Saylor told CNBC Tuesday he sees a bright future of a range of cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. In an interview Tuesday, he said different cryptocurrencies serve different purposes, but it might take time for newcomers to the digital asset space to recognize these distinctions. Maybe he's talking about himself because he's now warming up to the idea of getting some Ethereum, I think, which is huge because he does have a lot of money. And I think he will raise it because, he tried to raise $500 million and then $1.6 billion worth of money put their hand up, said they want to buy in. So there's plenty of money out there that wants to get in. You're going to want to build a building on a solid footing of granite. So Bitcoin is made to last forever, high integrity, very durable. Ethereum is trying to dematerialize exchanges and the finance establishment. Saylor said, I think that as the market starts to understand these things, there's a place for everybody, which is crazy. So the company also said on Monday, it's launching a program to sell $1 billion worth of additional stocks, which you already know. I've told you about that. Saylor said that the firm could use the money from stock offering to purchase Bitcoin to retire debt or for general corporate purposes, which is interesting. Shares of the MicroStrategies are up about 62% so far this year. Are you freaking kidding me? And more than 400% in the last 12 months. That is crazy. And there we have it, guys. YTD from $452 to about $619. Yeah, that's pretty good. In the last 1 year, it's gone from 121 to 619. So that's actually done pretty freaking well. But could this be the best marketing stunt? I mean, the company's major operation is not investing in Bitcoin, actually. It's a cloud computing company. So could it be that by doing so, they're actually doing extra marketing because people are coming to interview him and asking for his thoughts? So he might be a genius. So he's already a genius, in fact, but he's more of a genius in that this is how he strategizes to actually bring more eyeballs to the company and improve the marketing, which I think is very, very smart. Interesting comment that I've seen on Twitter, that no one uses Bitcoin timeline. 2010, no one uses it. 2012, only computer nerds use it. 2013, only drug dealers used it. So like, the dark web, those days and stuff. 2014, only money launderers used it. 2017, only gamblers used it. 2020, only small companies used it. 2021, only small countries used it, as we have seen with some of the Latin American countries headed by El Salvador, who loves Bitcoin. Now, that's just a quick update on Bitcoin, guys. Still very bullish on the long term, just like Michael Saylor. And, I believe that's going to bring the rest of the market with them. Not to mention inflation, that's going to increase more and more institutionals to actually hedge against their investments with Bitcoin as well. So thank you so much for tuning in with today's video. Go check out my socials. Make sure you go follow them. Make sure you go like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I will see you tomorrow.